Welcome to your school setup process. Once you complete the setup steps, you will be able to provide your students with A.C.E.'s online curriculum. As you proceed through the school setup process, you can find instructional videos for each tab by clicking on your profile icon, then on Support Videos. Your school setup process consists of the first 6 tabs that you see in the sidebar. Currently, you are in Tab 1, which is labeled School. The School tab is already completed based on the information you provided when you registered with ePACE. You may update or edit the information under the School tab by clicking the green Edit button and saving any changes you make. You may now continue to the next tab, and remember, if you have any questions throughout the setup process, you may access the support videos by clicking on your profile icon.